Matilda, 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 she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Hi, I'm Lisa, I'm the ukulele fool, and this tutorial on Matilda is the second tutorial that we have in the New to Uke series on B flat. I've got a link up here to the whole playlist for New Uke series. It's available on patreon.com as for as little as $1 a month. So get your ukulele, let's do some B flatting. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the chord changes so that you can be sharp on B flat. Bad music pun, I know. Leave me a comment down below. Keep the puns, leave the puns, let me know. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to practice it with downstrums. We're going to practice it adding the island strum in it. And then we're going to take a look at the chord chart. We're actually going to look at the chord chart. We're going to look at the box diagram. And I'm going to help you figure out how the lyrics of this beautiful Caribbean song that's very fun and tongue-in-cheek fits in with the strumming and with the chord changes. The song was made popular by Harry Belafonte. Harry, come on, like and subscribe to this channel. What's stopping you? Harry, I've been a fan for decades. Okay, don't let it stop you. Please hit subscribe and that notification bell and leave me a comment. It really helps this channel to grow. There are only 3 chords in this song. We have F and moving to a B flat. And so that's the same thing that we did in I Fought the Law. And just practice going over that. Make sure that you've got that going, that you can play that B flat, and each one of those strings rings out clearly. Once you've got that, let's do some practice on the chord progression from the song. So in addition to the F and B flat, we're going to be doing a C7 as well. And so the F to C7 is a real simple switch. So no worries there. We're going to start with a simple down strum. Our progression, which is the same progression we use in both the verse and chorus of Matilda, is 4 Fs, 4 B flats, 2 C7s, 2 Fs, back to 2 C7s, and ending on 2 Fs again. So let's practice that together. Let's do it super slow. So if you were singing the song, it would be Matilda, this slow. 1, 2, and here we go. It's F, 2, 3, 4, switch to B flat, 2, 3, 4, C7 twice, back to F twice, C7 again, only 2 times in F, do it again, and F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, and C7 twice, and F twice, and C7 twice, just a single F to get us out. All right, I put timestamps down below, so I know that some of you need extra practice with this, and so be my guest, play this part over and over again until you feel nice, smooth, fluent, and then you can move on. And I do that with all the sections in each one of my videos. I hope you appreciate it. Let me know. This song used the island strum because it's a calypso piece. So we're going to do the island strum really slow, and here's something that's going to be really helpful if you're having any struggles with putting the island strum with the singing. When you're doing Matilda, the till of Matilda on the very first 2 that you sing in the song, Matilda, has that up strum that's on the off beat. So I think this song is really helpful in helping you synchronize the singing and the island strum, or calypso strum, or down, down, up, down, up, or whatever you want to call it. Let's do that same chord progression again, only this time we're going to do it on the island strum. So you're going to do 2 island strums on each of the F, 2 island strums on the B flat, then only 1 on the C7, 1 on the F, 1 on the just make it up. Single down strum, because that's what we're going to do in the song. So get ready and play with me. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. With me so far, and if not, just practice it until you're ready to move on. That's what I'm here for. So I added this little section here just to help you with singing and putting the island strum together, because I know that is such a challenge. So if you don't need this challenge and you already got it, skip ahead. If not, I'm here for you. So here we go. We're going to do Matilda, and we're going to Matilda. Do it on B flat. Matilda. So 2 island strums on each the F and B flat, just singing the Matilda, which happens on the first time you do each one of those chords. And again, paying attention just because it's Matilda, down, down, up, up. So that up has the tilde. Let's do it several times. 1, 2, here we go. Matilda. Another time. Matilda. Matilda. One more time for good measure. 1, 2, and here we go. Matilda. Matilda. So, with those skills and drills in place, let's take a look at the chord chart. We're actually going to go to my computer and take a look. Well, I am letting my professor freak flag fly here as we're doing a screencast. So let's look at the chord chart for Matilda, and I'll help share with you some of the idiosyncrasies of syncing up the lyrics or the words to the tune with the chords and the strumming. So when you start out with the chorus and you've got the Matilda repeated twice, once on F, once on B flat, and then again on C7. So let's talk about each one of those. That first Matilda, F. Well, how long do you hold that F? You hold it 2 times on the island strum. And I've got a little aid down here to show you. This is the box diagram. Both the verses and the choruses have the exact same chords for the exact same lengths in the exact same order. Fancy that. So we're going to play that F island strum 2 times, and that's what this box diagram is telling you. It's going to be 2 times, then 2 times on the B flat before you skip to that next line, and then you have the C7. Now, going back up to look at the lyrics here with the chords. So the ma happens right on the downbeat of that island strum. So Matilda. And you have one that's silent, and Matilda. And here's another island strum that's silent. So I'll just repeat that again, just to make sure you got it. It's Matilda. Play an island strum again. Matilda. Play another island strum. On the C7 here, right here, this C7 and Matilda, you're going to have a rest initially with your singing voice. So you're going to go down and it'll be silent. Matilda. Now the tilde still happens on the up part, the first up of the island strum. Matilda, Matilda. Like that. So it'll happen on that first up, but that first down strum is going to be silent. Listen to all three Matildas again. So starting on F. Matilda, Matilda. Here's a C7. Matilda. Like that. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I would be happy to explain further. Okay, so what I did at the end of the Venezuela part is I put a single F down strum. And the reason I did that is it gives you a chance to regroup, and then according to the Harry Belafonte's version of it, you're going to throw in this once again. And so that gives you a chance to do that without having to worry about timing. So she run to Venezuela once again, and Matilda. Then on that second island strum, this time you have sing out the chorus, and the sing happens right on that down strum of the second island strum of F. B flat, a little different story. We do the Matilda just like we did before, except for down strum is silent on after that one. Sing out the music. So sing out the music. So the sing starts on the second down strum of that island strum. Let me do the third line of the chorus. So once again, and Matilda, sing out the chorus. Matilda, sing the music. Matilda. And that C7 Matilda is like the other C7 Matilda. You're going to, the first down strum is silent, and then you, Matilda. So this happens a lot in the verses too. You get this little technical music terms, an anacrusis, and some band directors called it a pickup. So on the verse, you again have the Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Everybody. So you get to throw that in. So that's a little bit of help in fitting the lyrics together. As always, I'm going to have a link down below that has one of Harry Belafonte's live performances as well as his studio recording of it. I listened to this a lot when I was a kid, and then even more when I directed steel drums. So it's a great tune from the Caribbean, and so hopefully this will help you. Let me know if you need more explanation. So we haven't talked about the ending. Let's do that before we do a play along. We're going to be ending on a single run to Venezuela, and then just add a cha-cha-cha. Just kind of puts a nice little bow on it. I'll show you the last line of the song. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Cha-cha-cha. Just like that. Do you have to do it? No. You could do whatever you like. But that was just my suggestion on how to wrap it all up. So let's play together. Okay, here we go. 2 island strums for an introduction. I'll keep it nice and slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, Matilda, sing out the chorus. Matilda, sing the music. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. $500, friends, I lost. What made me sell me cart and horse? Don't you know? Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Everybody, Matilda, 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 she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Once again, and Matilda, sing out the chorus. Matilda, in the pillow beneath me head. Don't you know? Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Sing it with me, Matilda. Matilda. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Once again, Matilda, sing out the chorus. Matilda, sing the music. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Well, the money was to buy me house and land. Then she got a serious plan, yeah. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Everybody, Matilda. Matilda. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. Once again, Matilda, sing out the chorus. Matilda, sing the music. Matilda, she take me money and she run to Venezuela. I hope you had fun playing that. Play it with me as many times as you'd like. I hope you take it to your uke jam and do it, because one of the fun things to do is you can do kind of a call and respond. You have Matilda, 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 Matilda. So you can break the group up into two and have fun with this. If you ever are brave enough to perform in an open mic, get the audience to participate with you. They love it. You know, most of the people that sing at an open mic are there to perform, and that they'll join you enthusiastically, and you won't feel so alone on the stage. Or at least that's my experience. I feel pretty lonely up there. All right. Thank you so much. I want to thank all my patrons. Oh my gosh. You are so wonderful. And until the next time, help spread the ukulele love.